Everyone, how to promote your YouTube video or your YouTube channel, or how to promote your blog or any landing page that you have is what I am talking to you about in this video. You have done a lot of good work in producing content, whether it is for video content on YouTube, whether it is even on Facebook, whether it is on Twitter, whether it is on Instagram, whether the content is on LinkedIn or any other place like TikTok. Maybe what you have done is that you have produced content for your blog. You have created a blog and have produced content, a lot of content, and people are not going there to see the content. There is a way to make Google itself to take people to your content. There's a way to make the platform where you put the content, people to go there. Those methods are called organic traffic. There are other ways that you can push traffic to that content. Usually when you produce any type of content, whether it is YouTube, whether it is written content, whether it is video content, in the next 1 hour after the content is published, the algorithm of YouTube or of the blog or whatever other platform you put it, the algorithm is going to favor or is going to push out more videos or content or written content that people interact with within the first 1 hour. Because the assumption of the algorithm is that that content is good and that is why people are interacting with it. Therefore, anytime you produce content, it is important to utilize some free tools to use to drive traffic to the content. There is no penalty for doing this anywhere. There is no penalty. One way you can do that is to copy the link of the article or of the video or of the content. Copy the link and then go to Nairaland. You create a Nairaland.com account. It doesn't take up to 2 minutes to create a Nairaland.com account. It doesn't take time. It doesn't take up to 2 minutes to create a Twitter account. It doesn't take time to create a LinkedIn account. It doesn't take time to create a Facebook account. It doesn't take time to create other such accounts like Medium, like Quora, and many more. But for the purpose of these, how to get free traffic to your content, whether it is your video or your blog article, I am going to limit myself to these 6 or 5 that I've mentioned. Anytime you have published content, whether it is video or written content, copy the link of that video, copy the link of that content on that blog. Go to Facebook, your own Facebook page, and you have made a lot of friends on Facebook. Maybe 1,000 friends, maybe 500 friends, maybe 300 friends. On your own Facebook page, copy the title of the article or of the video. Put it on your own Facebook page. Below it, write some things related to the video. After that, paste the link of the video in the same write-up, in the same material, and then publish it. The same thing you would do on LinkedIn. The same thing you would do on Facebook, LinkedIn. You do the same thing on Twitter. You do the same thing on Nairaland. You go to Quora. You look for questions related to what you have published. And on Quora, you answer the question and you say, if you want more, see this video. It deals with answer to the question asked. You place the link of the video there. You can go to Telegram and do the same thing. You can go on to your any group you have on WhatsApp and do the same thing. Your WhatsApp status, put the link there and describe something. You can write on your status, do you want to know about this? See it here. And then you put the link. Not everybody that see the link is going to click. But if on Facebook you have 1,000 friends and just 10% of those friends, 10% of 1,000 is 100. In fact, that is a lot for any content that you have. If 100 people can go follow that link and go and check your content from Facebook, 100 people follow it from LinkedIn, 100 people follow it from Twitter, 100 people follow that link from Netherlands, that means you have 400 people viewing the content at a go. That is a big plus for that your content. What will happen is the algorithm of YouTube, or algorithm of that blog, or algorithm of TikTok, algorithm of whatever platform the content is that you are sharing the link, the algorithm will recognize, will take notice, and we know that that content is a good content. So the algorithm on its own, without you paying, will push it forward the more. This is one way to get free traffic. This is one way to promote your content. You see, what happens is that when any music is made by musicians, if the radio stations don't play that music, nobody will know about the music. If DJs in parties and other clubs and events don't play that music, people will not know about that music. So the owner of the music will send the music to DJs in town. We plead with them, play my music. We tell it to radio stations and plead with them, play my music, oh, play it. The more people play it, the more people get to know the artist, and the more they will interact with the artist at any level. This is the same procedure that happens when you produce content. Your content may be good and is on YouTube and is anywhere on your blog, but you are not promoting it. You are not promoting it. That will not allow people to know about that content. There are other platforms where you have to pay to promote it, and we'll talk about that after now, because I don't want this video to be a long one. So if you need to promote your content after you have done the content, and I've explained how to do that to you in one of my other videos. I am going to show you how to promote the content. I'm going to show you how I promoted one particular content using this method. All your friends on Facebook, they are not there for you just to be entertaining and just be entertaining without monetizing. Produce your content and promote your content. What I've just shared with you, you can use it to make money also. You tell people that you are a promoter of content, promoter of blog, promoter of YouTube channels. Go on freelancing sites like Fiverr.com and others. And then freelancer.com is also there, and there are many others that are there. Create your gigs or create your portfolios that you are a promoter of blogs and YouTube. They will contact you. This is the same method we use. You spread it out. There are many others you can spread it out to. You spread it out. People you spread it out to, they will interact. So you keep spreading it. You can spread it out this morning. In the afternoon, you spread it out again in another form. In the evening, you spread it out again in another form using all these platforms. The following day, you spread it again. Those who saw it today, they may not. Some people, it may go out today. Some people may not see it. The one you send next, they will see it, and then they will interact with it, and then they will interact with that content of they are promoting, and that content is going to move up the ladder. So this is how it is done. The content is good. It needs to be promoted. So the first thing, if you are a fresh YouTuber, produce sufficient content, because if you produce only 2 videos in your channel or 2 articles, and then you promote those 2 articles, people come to read the 2 articles, people come to watch the 2 videos. After watching the 2 videos, what next? So that is why you have to have at least 50 videos, at least 50 articles on your blog before you start to promote. As you promote, the algorithm will recognize and it will direct people to you and to promote your content the more. And this is how you can get free traffic for your blog. You can use it, and then you also use it. The moment people come, those who interact with it, in fact, there is one of my YouTube videos, YouTube channels. I have close to 5 YouTube channels at the moment. I'm managing on my own, but the one that you know very well is this very one. On one of my YouTube channels, it was a controversial case that I was bringing up, and then people were discussing it on Netherlands. And because of that discussion, people were coming to see the video on YouTube because the link is there. Then I made another video to react to what they are saying, and people interacted with it more. So sometimes when they react to your video, it's an opportunity for you to make another video on that, to react to it. If they react again, make another one. You are the content creator, they react, you get free traffic, and your channel or your blog is getting promoted. So this is how it goes. If you have any question for me, drop the question in the comment section below, and if you have any comment, drop your comment in the comment section below. When you comment on my channel, or when you ask question, or when you like it, or when you share it, you are helping to promote my channel. So do any of this, and I am going to be happy that you did that. I'm going to talk to you some other time again. Please remember all I've said and take action on them. Bye for now.